Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Euro British Pound, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound US Dollar for 4th March 2021 Thursday. So this analysis is for Thursday only. Tomorrow you'll be seeing me again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So we can see that market is right now trading at 1.3939. Okay, this level, and after this huge fall, from 1.4165, market is kinda in a consolidation phase. Okay, went up, down, up, up, down. Okay, market is not having a proper trend right now after this big fall. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, just switch to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, to get a clear picture. Okay, in the 4 hours time frame, we can see that before this fall, market was more or less respecting the 50 moving average. Okay, so what can we do today? We uh, two levels are very important for us. Okay, if we want to trade on GBP USD, okay, these two are the levels. We do not need to trade in between this range. Okay, this is kind of a no trading zone for us. Okay, this is a no trading zone for us. Okay, we will only go for buy order if we see that a market crosses this level and market is trading above 50 moving average. Okay, then only we will go for a buy order. But before placing the buy order, just make sure that you need to look at the volume and try to understand the market psychology. Okay, even though market crosses the 1.4002 this level, okay, just try to understand the market psychology, how whether market is feeling comfortable or not. Okay, whether market is trading easily above this 50 moving average or not. If you find that okay, trend has changed and market is trading comfortably enough, okay, just observe for 1 hour. Okay, then only go ahead and place the buy order. And the second trade you can go for is let the market cross this level. Okay, 1.3857. Okay, if you see that market crosses this level, okay, if you see that the selling pressure is back again, the sellers are back again and they are selling. And if there is volume present in the market, okay, then also you can short the market below this level. Okay, this is kind of an important level. So buy above this level and sell below this level. But remember, try to understand the psychology. If you see that okay, though market is trading above the 50 moving, but market is struggling very hard, the size of the candles are very small, tiny candles, then avoid it. Okay, and if you see that market has crossed this line and there's a big huge selling pressure from the bears, then you can short the market here. Okay, and one short tip, if you're looking for some quick profit, okay, if you want to make some quick profit out of it, okay, you can see that right now market is coming down. Okay, if market hits this support level, this support level is very important for market. Okay, this 1.3857. If market bounces from here, okay, if you see some price rejection from below and if market bounces from here, okay, and if you see the stochastic RSI is also indicating that yes, you can go for a buy order like this. Sorry about the drawing. Okay, anyways, if you see the stochastic RSI is in your favor, it is also giving you the confirmation that you can go for a small buy trade here. Okay, your profit will be take profit level will be this. But this though I said that this is your no trading zone, this is your no trading zone if you do not like to trade aggressively. Okay, if you hate consolidation, or if you hit range bound market, then this trade is not for you. You just wait for the market to cross this level or this level. And if you are an experienced trader, if you're looking for some aggressive trade, some quick profits, okay, then you can execute a buy order here also if you spot some good price rejection from below. Okay, so this can be the simple strategy for GBP USD, British Pound USD, for 4th March 2021. So hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check the analysis of the other currency pairs in the Forex analysis playlist. So see you again. Good luck, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Good luck.